Hey guys, so these are the all new OnePlus Buds Z wireless earphones, the lighter version of the OnePlus Buds with the typical in-ear design. So let's see how this performs in terms of sound quality or the battery life and everything basically that you should know before buying this one. So guys, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Let's begin. So this one came in this cardboard box. I bought this from the OnePlus store itself for about 3000 rupees, and this should be available on Amazon or Flipkart pretty soon, I would say. So this looks exactly almost like the OnePlus Buds packaging, but in the box you are getting the earphones themselves obviously, and the usual paper stuff, the USB-C charging cable and the extra ear tips. So looking at the charging case, this thing looks glossy and I personally don't like this. They should have gone with the matte finish, I would say, like the OnePlus Buds Z. Maybe they wanted to cut corners in terms of pricing, but let me just give you a better look outside. I hope you get a better look here, and it kind of looks a little bit cheaper in terms of build quality because of this finishing. The buds however feel very lightweight, and they actually have that OnePlus Bullets neckband sort of look, as you can see, and I had absolutely no issue in terms of comfort and fit. It was really good. The Google Fast Pair does work automatically when you open the case. In case it doesn't work, just press the switch on the back and it should basically trigger the Fast Pair, and as you can see, it works just fine. So they were talking about this Hey Melody app using which you can customize your OnePlus Buds, but at the time of recording this video I couldn't find this on the Play Store. This should be available soon, I would say. On the OnePlus devices you do have them in the settings itself, so it does show the battery percentage and everything. Along with that you can also customize the double tap function, but again disappointingly it does not add any more customization features like the triple tap or press and hold. It is just the same like the OnePlus Buds, which is disappointing. Also in the sound settings you don't have any adapted to OnePlus Buds sort of setting like the OnePlus Buds earphones. You get the standard usual stuff to customize this sound. That's pretty much it. The quick switch feature is not skipped on this one, so I was able to switch between my laptop and mobile phone so effortlessly, and it works really well, so that's really nice. I tried gaming on this and the latency was almost not noticeable. It was near perfect, and I tried this with both Fanatic mode on and off, and I did not really notice huge difference. So it's pretty good for gaming in terms of latency. It shouldn't be an issue. I tried calling with these earphones, and here is the sample along with my calling experience.
Hey guys, now I'm recording this with the OnePlus Buds Z TWS earphones on the balcony, and there is a lot of noise also, as you can hear probably the cars honking and stuff, but it's not too noisy, but it's definitely there's a lot of ambient noise going on. And I did try calling with this and I had a pretty good calling experience. The other party did not complain of anything. It was just a good experience, I would say.
Now moving to the sound quality, I am not disappointed at all. This one sounds really good for the price. The bass packs some punch, but it does lack in terms of the depth. I mean, you don't get that deeper bass, so the bass drops did not really feel all that dramatic or strong. I may be subconsciously comparing this with the OnePlus Buds earphones, but don't get me wrong guys, I mean the bass is pretty good. I mean, you have ample amount of bass. I would say most people should be happy with this. The vocals sound really good. I mean, this is one of the strongest points on the OnePlus Buds earphones as well. And here also I did not have any complaints. The mids also come through really well. The instruments sound fairly detailed, but when there's a lot going on in the track, it does kind of get mixed up a little bit. The treble also sounded nice and crisp. Even at the loud volumes, it doesn't get sharp or harsh, which is what really matters to me the most. So considering the price point of 3000 rupees, these are pretty good in terms of sound as well. I absolutely have no issues. I am probably going to keep these and use these for my personal use as well, along with other earphones. But I will try also to compare these with the OnePlus Buds earphones. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Now finally moving to the battery life. To be honest, this was delivered in the afternoon, so I couldn't really drain this completely at the time of posting this video, but it's been 3 hours plus and they are still going strong. So I'll try and update this in the description or in the pinned comment. So definitely stay tuned to the channel guys for more videos. And that's been it. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.